Welcome back to another video from Manor RC Car Club. I'm running again the team associated B7 buggy. I've really got it in a decent place at the moment. I qualified with a 2 and a 3, so that lined me up 4th on the grid. Couldn't quite get the fastest time in any of those rounds, but I was quite happy with 2 and a 3. So yeah, balance is good. Not too shabby at all in the qualifying, but come the final it was just a mess. I finished 6th in both legs. We had 2 legs this time because we were doing good on time. But yeah, I finished 6th in both legs. Just silly little mistakes. Leg 2, I actually changed the car and went with shorter links on the front, so 2mm shorter links on the front, which should bring the front, everything happens a little bit quicker when the links are shorter. It really seemed to make the car better. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the video, but it seemed to everything to do with the front seemed to be better, but the back seemed to behave as well. So it wasn't like I gained a load of steering on the front and then all of a sudden I'm struggling for stability, losing the back and stuff like that. But generally it seemed to be a lot better. Perhaps the turning in more aggressive was catching me out a few times. I think I noticed I'd clipped apexes, taking a similar line to previous runs. But yeah, I think it's in a good place. We'll try it again this afternoon. We're off, no, not this afternoon, tomorrow. We're off to Manor again. So I'll try it as it is, and we will report back as soon as that one's done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and really makes my day. Thank you. Leave me alone, character. That's right, you go. Oh, I fucking... I'm not waiting now. Nope. Oh no. Sorry. That's why I sandbagged and came 6th.
Okay, so well again. Each time I was what we want there, so Ben Paul, followed by Josh, Danny Mr. Webb, Kevin, Tim, Cam. That's what I'm So, A final there.
Got you. I'll come off worse.
Is it same group?
So, reverse grid then, so it will be Mr. Spain Paul, followed by Mr. Wilkinson, then Mr. Jay, Mr. Stain, Mr. Durkin, Mr. Adrian, Mr. Sean, and Mr. Swallow at the back.
You're in front of that guy.
Yes. Right there.
No, route on straight. You can go forward with that.
Pretty much where that cone is. Look at the grid behind me. Why are you moving forward? Stop going forward. It's Max Verstappen. Oh, sorry. Curse fudged me. Oh, not again. Yeah, I bet. Just check what motor's in my car.
Oh no!
It's not for position, you'd lap me. I think you'd lap me.
I don't know whether I did.
Yeah, you did.
Did I?
Yeah.
I let one of the four-wheel drives on me and you went like that.